on a ship from the northern sea, Grímur Kamban, wild and free. With a heart so bold, a spirit untamed, to the Faroe shores his place was claimed. Through the winds and the waves he sailed alone, seeking a land to call his own. The southern hills where the oceans hum, he entered Hvalba, his journey begun. Grímur Kamban, the first to stand on Faroe shores, a new homeland. Through misty fjords and mountain calls, his legacy echoes on Grímsfjall. Hvalba's cliffs watched his stride, a Viking's courage, a storm to ride. He saw the hills, the valleys wide. In this wild land his dreams did reside. But the winds did whisper, travel on further north where the sun is drawn. With each step forward his fate was clear, a path to Funninger carved without fear. Grímur Kamban, the first to stand on Faroe shores, a new homeland. Through misty fjords and mountain calls, his legacy echoes on Grímsfjall. His heart to the northern seas, through rugged trails and whispering trees, he planted seeds for a tale untold, a saga written in winds so cold, cold. In Funninger's quiet he laid his claim, a village to honor the Viking name. By fjords that gleamed under silver skies, Grímur's vision refused to die. He built with hands of strength and lore a home that stood on Faroe shore, a settler's dream, a pioneer's mark, lighting the islands through history's dark. Grímur Kamban, the first to stand on Faroe shores, a new homeland. Through misty fjords and mountain calls, his legacy echoes on Grímsfjall. So sing of Grímur, the Viking's might, who carved his name in the northern light. From Hvalba's coast to Funninger's pride, his spirit sails on the Faroes.